Ask Doug, who should I call in a medical emergency on my International Employer Group medical insurance? Ask Doug, Questions and Answers about Employer Group Medical Insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your International Employer Group medical insurance best for you and your family. Who should I call in a medical emergency on my International Employer Group medical insurance, Doug? Luciana, that is a great question. Besides calling 911 or the equivalent in your country of service, Luciana, your next call should be the customer care, customer service, or member services of your International Employer Medical Insurance, which is on your medical ID card. Your medical ID card has an emergency phone number that you may call, Luciana. These phones are monitored 24/7 and they will take collect calls. If you have to leave a message, be sure to leave your phone number. Please also include your telephone country code if you are outside of the US. Luciana, sometimes when we are anxious, which is very understandable, we speak too quickly or forget to leave important information on our message. So please speak slower than usual and provide all important information. Repeat your phone number and name also will be greatly appreciated. It is also a good idea to make a request by email through your account online or on the mobile app after you have called. This allows for anything you have missed saying on the phone to be added to your account so they can best assist you. Find out more information on your International Employer Medical Insurance options at gninsurance.com.